Good day and welcome to my makeup diary. Today I'm doing a look where I'm incorporating my favorite heart emoji. It is the pink heart emoji with sparkles. So for this look I'm doing a colored brow, and the first thing I do is brush my brow hairs upwards. Then with the clean handle of a brush I apply the concealer and I rub it back and forth into the brow hairs to make sure that every little hair is covered. Now that I've removed the excess concealer, I grab a fluffy brush and I start packing on the colors. For the front of the brow, I'm using Colourpop's eyeshadow called Selfie, and for the tail of the brow, I use the Colourpop eyeshadow called Iconic. After removing the excess eyeshadow around the brow, I go in with a brush and I carve the brow. I actually prefer to use foundation for this, as I feel it's so much easier to blend out around the brow rather than using concealer. I personally love using my fingers to blend out the lines around the brow when doing this. I used to carve my brows all the time, and I feel like it's hard to beat the warmth of your fingers when it comes to blending out product around your brow. So for this look, I didn't plan on wearing it for long, so I didn't apply any primer or base, but I did go ahead and set the lid with loose powder and highlighted my brow bone as usual. Drawing hearts with this pink wet liner is actually pretty easy to do. I start by drawing 2 small dots to one another, and then I connect them downwards until they form a heart. I planned on doing only 2 of these, but I ended up doing 3. And after I draw the hearts, I then switch to the bright yellow wet liner and I draw a cross on each side of the hearts, one in the upper corners of the hearts and one in the lower corners of the hearts. I then fill them in a little bit so they look like little sparkles and not just crosses. flat shader brush, I go ahead and apply a glitter primer to the center of my lid, and on top of that I apply a white glitter. And now I'm starting to do my liquid liner. As always, I start by lining the base of my lash line. I then extend the line outwards past my lash line, and then I fill it in how I like. And after that, I tightline using a black eyeliner pencil. And when I'm done with that, you'll see me applying a pink shadow to the bottom lid using a smudge brush. And this is what it looks like before applying false lashes. Here you can see me applying false lashes. I've cut them up into two different parts. So what you see me doing is applying the outer corner first, and then I apply the inner corner. Now for the bottom lashes, I'm going to try something I've been seeing a lot of people do online, where they apply mascara to the bottom lashes and then they use a tweezer to squeeze some of the lashes together. And I think it turned out really cute. They almost look like I applied false lashes there. And that is it for the look. I think it turned out pretty cute and very fitting for Valentine's Day. I like how it turned out in photos as well, so I'll be including a few pictures at the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching.